The Japanese banana tree, Musa Basjoo, is an exotic plant that can adapt and grow outdoors in cold regions, provided it is properly protected during winter. The Japanese banana tree, also known as Musa Basjoo, is able to withstand temperatures below -15 degrees. It is not a tree, but rather a herb that is very demanding in terms of humus. The Japanese banana tree is grown for its ornamental appearance. It grows very quickly and exceeds 5 meters in height, although it does flower and produce bunches of bananas that are inedible but not toxic. Its main attraction is its long, lush, light green leaves, which at full growth reach between 2 and 2.5 meters in length. When planted in the ground, it thrives in rich soil that is moist in summer, sheltered from drafts to prevent the leaves from being torn by strong winds. In a pot or planter, it is grown like a simple house plant, which you can place outdoors in summer and bring indoors in winter. Although the rootstock is resistant to cold, it is preferable to protect its stipe, which is actually a false trunk made up of old leaves. Take action as soon as the first frosts arrive by cutting the leaves 20 centimeters above the ground. Protection involves wrapping the central stem or stems with straw or dead leaves. Use chicken wire wrapped 50 centimeters from the stipe and held in place with stakes, here tomato supports. Stuff the inside with mulch as high as possible, making sure to fill all the gaps so that the stipe is well insulated. For added security, wrap the wire mesh with a winter fleece, which will also prevent the straw from scattering. The protection will be even more effective if it is shielded from rain with an upside-down bucket used as a cap. In temperate regions or on a balcony where temperatures rarely drop below 0 degrees, a simple covering around the stipe may be enough. And if the frost becomes more severe, cut the leaves and keep only the stipe. A Japanese banana plant can also be grown indoors during the winter. Placed in full light and warmth, water the root ball generously with a bit of fertilizer or pour water into the saucer to increase humidity. On the other hand, if you have a cool room that is barely heated during the winter, or a greenhouse, one that is still frost-free, or a conservatory, you should water very little throughout the entire winter period.